Welcome to the Netstar Wired GPS Vehicle Tracker Installer Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through how to quickly and easily set up your tracker so you can start monitoring your vehicle's performance and location. First, let's make sure you have everything you need. Here are some recommended tools for easier installation. Here you can see the red wire for the power source, yellow for the ignition, and black for the ground wire. It is recommended that you tape off the other wires as seen here. To install your wired GPS tracker, start by opening the side panel and dashboard. This provides extra space for routing the cable and positioning the tracker out of sight. Place a piece of double-sided tape onto the tracker. It is important to note that the side with the Netstar logo and plug pinout diagram must face the sky to obtain GPS lock. The double-sided tape will therefore be placed under the unit when mounted on top of a surface. Once everything is opened, carefully place the tracker inside the dashboard or side panel area, ensuring it's secure and doesn't interfere with other components. Connect the ground wire to the chassis. The power source and the ignition wire are always found at your fuse box side. Connect these wires utilizing a multimeter to measure electrical properties. Once the tracker is in place and functioning, reattach the side panel and dashboard to keep everything neat and discreet. Finally, test setup by logging into the My Netstar app and configuring the device using the on-screen prompts. And that's it. Your Netstar Wired GPS tracker is now ready to use. Enjoy peace of mind with real-time insights into your vehicle. Contact us today to learn more.